Hello and welcome young minds to the class of science. This is first video lecture of chapter 9 Soil. The subtopic which we are going to cover are formation and composition of soil, soil profile, types of soil, properties of soil and crops. So students, soil is one of the most important natural resources necessary for life on the earth. Soil supports the growth of plant and trees by holding their roots firmly and by supplying them water and mineral nutrients. Soil is also a home for many organisms and microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, and also soil beetles, rodents, ants, earthworms, etc. Soil is also essential for agriculture that depends completely on the fertility of the soil. Now we come to the formation of the soil. Formation of soil is slow and gradual process. Soil is formed from rocks by the process of weathering. Weathering means it is a process of breakdown of huge rocks into small rock particles by the action of sun's heat, wind, rain, flowing water and climatic condition. Weathering of rock is very slow process. It takes millions of years to break huge rocks into fine particles to make soil. Other than this, when plants and animals die, their bodies are decomposed by microorganisms present in the soil to form organic matter called humus, which makes the topmost layer of the soil. So soil is basically the topmost layer of the earth crust consisting of mixture of rock particles and humus. Now we look to the composition of soil. Soil is composed of different layers. To understand this, we can perform an activity. Let's take a handful of soil and keep it in a beaker filled with 3/4 of water and allow it to settle without disturbing it. After few hours, you can easily identify different layers of soil in that beaker. At the bottom, the layer of gravel you can see. Above the gravel, there will be a layer of sand. Above the sand, there is a fine layer of silt, and above that there is clay. The water clay is not completely clear, and at the top you will find some dead rotting leaves which makes the layer of humus. So this is how soil meant. Now we will look to the soil profile in detail. We usually see the top surface of soil, not the layers below it. If we dug a ditch, you can easily see the inner layers of the soil. A vertical section through the soil showing the different layers of the soil is called the soil profile. And each layer differs in texture, color, depth and chemical composition. These layers are referred to horizons. The topmost layer is horizon A, which is the darkest in color and usually made up of humus. Beneath the horizon A, there is horizon B, which is also called the subsoil. It is lighter in color and harder and more compact. Below the horizon B, there is horizon C, which is made up of small lumps of broken rocks. And at the lower level, there is horizon D, which is also called bedrock. The bedrock is solid, non-porous and hard layer of weathered rocks. So this is how a soil made. I hope student you understood the soil, how it is made and how the different layers of soil get compact to form the topmost layer of the earth crust. In the next video, we will discuss another subtopic of the chapter. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.